ServiceNow Knowledge 2024, the ServiceNow conference here in Las Vegas. My name is Lydia with Royal Cyber, and today I am joined by Leo from Scotia Bank. Leo, thank you for joining us.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
Is this your first time at a ServiceNow conference? It is. So what brought you to this year's ServiceNow conference?
Oh, we've been using like a ServiceNow ITOM product for like more than 80 years, right? Wow. So we're facing some like challenges, so our partner from ServiceNow said they're gonna join this Knowledge 24. They're gonna have some like team talk to us, right? So we can see like any solution, any conversation we can have over our challenges, right? That's why like I come here.
That's a great reason to attend this year's conference. Now, are you currently implementing any AI capabilities?
Oh yeah, definitely. I mean, ServiceNow promoting AI, right? Mm-hmm. Especially Gen AI, right? So we're talking about this, we're trying to, because we're doing ITOM. We process a huge data volume. We hope AI can grab like some like key information, help us, to trying to simplify our solution. Because we're trying to have alert being taken care by the support team, right? Mm-hmm. How AI can help us, find the proper support team.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Now, what are some of your objectives going into 2025?
So, we hope not 2025, but even this year, right? At the end of the year, we're trying to find a solution with AI, right? To get like relatively like 80% or like 85% accuracy to help us like look up the proper support team, right? Because this is our end goal. But meanwhile, because we have so many other data, like a knowledge article, like, some, like for example, like contact information, on-call information from support team, how AI can consolidate all of that together, give us like a better like a prediction for the future, right? Because we need to get like a KPI, we need to get a report for the leadership. So
yeah, those are some great objectives.
Yeah. I mean, this is I know for 2024, we hopefully we can get such result. And next year, yeah, let's do next year, right?
Let's focus on this year first. Yeah. I love that. Okay, the conference just started, but what's been your personal highlight so far?
So highlights, I'm pretty like surprised over, so many like booths here.
Oh, so many.
So you guys like ServiceNow productive over here and the partners like you guys, right? So I'm able to like walk around, talk to you guys individually, right? Get some like experts and also like a guys from overseas. I know even the guys from Japan, right? So we can talk to them, share experience, because we're facing like same challenges.
Right.
Exactly. How we're able to tackle them together. Yeah.
That's a great response. Networking.
Yeah.
Leo, thank you for joining us, and I hope that you have a very successful end to your conference as well.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.